This video will show you how to perform a master reset on a lock for the Opendoor door locking system. To complete a master reset, you will need your mechanical master key, authorization card, installation card, and clock card. These will all need to be freshly cut for the door you wish to reset and program. Firstly, using your cylinder cap tool, take off the cover on the front of the lock. Using your mechanical master key, turn it inward so that the lock beeps and flashes a red light. Holding the key inward, present your authorization card. The lock will beep 3 times to confirm a master reset. Now you'll need to reprogram the lock. Present your authorization card, followed by the installation card. Then present your authorization card, followed by a clock card. Finally, check the door has successfully reprogrammed by presenting a freshly cut guest card.